Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to convert Blogger into Bootstrap website. This is the default design of Blogger template, and now I am going to convert this Blogger into multiple static website page using Bootstrap like this. Let me see how to do this. First, we have to remove the default Blogger template code and replace with the code blank template code. It is available in the Stack Overflow. Copy this code. In Blogger, go to Theme, click the drop down of Customize button, click Edit HTML, remove all the codes and paste the blank template code. Click the Save icon. Whenever you make changes in Blogger HTML editor, remember to click the Save icon. Here, we have to do some alterations in the HTML tag. Even though the Blogger has blank template, still it is running some JavaScripts. The disadvantage is this JavaScript will interfere with the Bootstrap designs, for example, navigation bar. So to avoid this, we have to add some lines here. When we add this code, the default Blogger JavaScript will not interfere with the Bootstrap navigation bar or other CSS files. Okay. In the body tag, we have a section tag, and in Blogger there is a rule that the Blogger template must have one section and one ID. Instead of using this section, I am recommend to use this section tag. Replace the tag with this section tag. Okay. I have already downloaded this template. And it has lot of folders and files. In the image folder, I have already uploaded the images in Blogger. Here I have uploaded. Okay. Let me go to the CSS folder. Here take any one CSS file. I am using the minified file. Copy the code. In between the bskin tag, paste the CSS code. Okay. Here we have one JPEG files. Here we uploaded the image files, and all the image files are in JPEG format only. Here we have to click copy image address. Okay. Now click save icon. We have already converted into blank template. Now we have added a background image. Let me check it. Okay. Next. We have completed CSS folder, image folder. We don't need a CSS. Next we have to go to the folder vendor. Here we have another two folders, and it has multiple subfolders. Let me check one by one. First, let me go to the Bootstrap. Here it contains CSS. Now I am going to open this CSS file with Notepad++, which I recommend to use for editing codes. Here the Bootstrap version is 4.5.3. Instead of adding this code in Blogger, I recommend to use the CDN.js. Okay. Here we have the CSS link. Copy the link tag and paste it in the head section. Okay. We have already added Bootstrap minified file. As of now, it is enough. Let me go to the JavaScript. Here I recommend to use the Bootstrap bundle minified file. We can use the CDN for the JavaScript. Copy the script tag. We have to paste the JavaScript code just above the closing body tag. Click Save. So we have added CSS JavaScript. Next, jQuery. Let me find the version of jQuery. Once again, let me use the CDN. Copy the script tag. Here we have to paste the jQuery script tag just above the Bootstrap JavaScript tag. Click Save. So we have added CSS and JavaScript of Bootstrap and also the jQuery. Now let me go to the index page. Open with Notepad++. Here let me check the details one by one. We don't need this because already Blogger have this in the head section. Since it is a responsive website, this tag is needed, so we have to use this. Just in the head section, paste the tag. End the tag with correct slash or proper slash. Okay, it's okay to use this, but it's not compulsory. We have already added CSS file of Bootstrap. We have some fonts. Link, we have to paste this in the head section. Once again, end the tag with proper slash. Click Save. We have already pasted the CSS file in the skin tag. Okay, let me come to the body section. Here we have to note that the navigation will come same for other pages also. For example, this is the home page. The navigation bar and some header is same for all the pages, including footer. So we can use it only one time and it will automatically show in other pages. Let me see how to do it. Now it is in the index.html page. So far it has 4 pages. In Blogger we have to create 3 pages for about, products and store. I will show what should be used for the index page. I have already created pages in Blogger. About, products and store. The important part comes now. Okay, just below the body tag we have to use if tag for the pages. This is the important part which is going to convert Blogger into multiple page static website. So copy this code, paste the if tag just below the starting body tag. For index page we are going to use the home page if tag. Okay. Now let me add the index code in the home page. As I already said, we can use the heading under the navigation only one time. For this we have to copy this code and we have to paste this code just about the starting body tag. Now click save button. Now it will automatically come to all pages. Similarly, copy the footer tag. Just below the if tags, paste this code. And click save. Here we have to use HTML encoder for and we have to use and LT semicolon. Now click save. Now in the home page we have to add only the section tags. Copy the section tag and in the home page URL paste the code. End the image tag with slash. We have to add intro image. Copy the image address and paste it here. Okay. Now let me go to the next page. The next page is about. We have already added all this tag, and now we have to just add the section tag in the about page. Okay. Here we have to give the correct URL for the about page. End the image tag with proper slash. Okay. In the if tag, place the correct URL. This is my about link address in this blogger. About. Click save. The next page is products. Here we have three sections. We have to use the correct URL. Enter the image tag with proper slash. Products. Let me add the images. Enter with proper slash. We have one more page. So I have to add another if tag. Here also we have two sections. And the image with proper slash. Okay, we have to enter the BR tag in right way. Control F, BR. Okay. Here add the slash like this. Okay. Let me check whether the design was converted or not. Okay, this is the first design. Now we have added all the bootstrap codes and let me check. And yes, it was converted. Okay, we have to change the links here. Okay, that is the problem. To copy the link address. Okay, the problem is we have not replaced the respective Blogger page links in the navigation bar section. We have added the navigation tags just above the body tag and we have to replace the respective Blogger page links. Okay, click save button. Now let me check from homepage. Yes. Okay. Let me compare both. Okay, this is Blogger and this is their HTML website. Let me check with Blogger. If you feel the navigation bar was not properly aligned, then try this. Here, remove the container. Now let me check the design. Okay, now there is no alignment problem when we remove the container. Hope friends you like this tutorial. It took 1.5 days to complete this conversion. So if you want to appreciate our work, share and subscribe. We have already converted Blogger into HTML5 websites, but using Bootstrap it was somewhat difficult comparing to other HTML5 website templates. But finally we have done that also. Hope friends you will like it.